if you're willing to invest just 15 minutes of your daily time into a side hustle, potentially earning you between $2,000 to $7,000 each month, then this video is tailored for you. Making money online has never been more accessible. However, success in this digital world requires the right mindset, which is you. Embracing new trends and understanding that a combination of smart work and consistency yields the fastest results. So today, I'll walk you through a straightforward method to earn money online with YouTube videos without ever filming yourself. While it may sound like clickbait, by the end of this tutorial, you'll grasp the essence of this business model, especially if you're new to online money making. And as we proceed, I strongly encourage you to adopt the best mindset. This is how you will set yourself up for success. And if you find this guide helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our community. We are all about practical approaches to making money online. So, without further ado, let's get started. As mentioned earlier, this business model revolves around earning from YouTube videos and receiving payments from 3 major partners I will be sharing with you. And to achieve this, we will be using a very powerful AI called Summarize.ai. This AI is quite advanced, so listen carefully. So typically what Summarize.ai does is analyze video content and make it into sizable content, which you can repurpose the content to start making money. While there are various ways to monetize this content, the simplest involves allowing any of these ad networks to place ads on your content. However, we'll go a little more advanced on our strategy. As you can see here, some individuals are already capitalizing on this strategy to earn money online. And don't worry, this approach doesn't demand any particular skills or prior experience. It's as easy as copy and paste. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does this business model generate income? Well, there are 5 ways to start making money from YouTube videos. However, we'll narrow our focus to 2 primary methods. One is creating a niche YouTube channel for summary, perhaps focusing on movie narratives, global news, and all of that. We will get into it shortly, but let's focus more on the blogging aspect, which is the most lucrative. For instance, consider this search term, ClickBank tutorial how to make money online. Though your focus may vary depending on your niche, which we'll discuss shortly. Take note of these examples. This page's articles are ranking on Google, which is a very big deal if you ask me for a page that has minimal content. That shows that Google is more about the page title than how long people spend on the page. And we are going to model exactly what these guys are doing. As you can see, this is a YouTube video. Here are the key insights, the transcript, the question, and the answers. This person is focused on the money-making niche, and if you look at this other page, this person is driving traffic to an affiliate offer on Amazon.com. And he is definitely getting paid for this, which is a very great idea. So this should give you an idea of what this strategy is about, and it will interest you to know that there is a better AI to do this. Remember, I told you that our strategy will be a bit advanced, right? Now, to begin making money with this method, you need to choose your platform. Decide whether you want to create a blog on platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Medium, or set up a self-hosted website using platforms like Wix or Squarespace. Importantly, choose a platform that aligns with your goals and technical expertise. So because this is like a long-term business for me, for example, I will go with WordPress or Blogger, and I am going to tell you why I chose the 2 as we proceed. Step 2, create compelling content. Start creating summarized content based on popular or trending YouTube videos within your chosen niche. Make sure your summaries are well written, informative, and optimized for search engines to attract organic traffic. So for us, our niche is the making money niche. Ensure you go for evergreen video content or tutorials, something searchable. and does have some good traffic. So for us, I will go with my video, this very one. It's about Amazon KDP. I will copy the URL and I will show you something mind-blowing. So we will head over to summarize.ai, and this is how we are going to make some good cash. Now paste in the video link in the search box, then click on search. It really doesn't take time to process, just about seconds, and it's done summarizing. Now there you go. This is amazing, guys. My mind is blown away. Just look over here. I mean, it even gave me 5 stars. That's impressive. This is the summary section, and I will read out loud a few parts, and it says, this tutorial offers a comprehensive guide to self-publishing on Amazon KDP, focusing on creating profitable low-content books like journals and planners. It details the process from concept to completion, including using BookBolt for keyword research and book creation, and optimizing for Amazon's algorithm to increase visibility and sales. The presenter shares strategies for selecting niches, designing covers, and customizing interiors, emphasizing the importance of market research and competitive analysis. I kid you not, guys, this is the entire video, very detailed. And here is the takeaway. It says, self-publishing on Amazon KDP can be a profitable venture. You don't need to be an author. Low-content books like notebooks, journals, and planners are the focus. All of these were points I emphasized in the video tutorial. It even went further to tell them the expected monthly income as suggested in the video tutorial. Potential earnings range from $200 to $1,000, depending on effort and strategy. The tutorial emphasizes using BookBolt for keyword research and book creation. And here is the question and answer section. For better comprehension, it says, how does the Amazon KDP publishing process work according to the tutorial? What is the role of BookBolt in the self-publishing process? And it went further to say, BookBolt is a software that assists with keyword research and book creation. It helps in selecting the right book templates for the product and is integrated with Amazon KDP. And when you scroll down, you have a lot of questions and answers to keep your audience or reader engaged and informed. This is very powerful software, plus it is even free to use. And here is the outline section. If you look closely, each outline gives a summary with a clear title. I really like the layout. And here it says, Introduction to Self-Publishing on Amazon KDP, Conducting Market Research for Book Idea. And this is the mind map section. Can you see how detailed it is? It gives the reader a clear understanding of the video. What we have on this page can also be considered a full blog post. And next is the keyword section. These are all the frequently used keywords in the video tutorial. And next you have the highlights. The highlights are just like the key points, which can be very helpful to the reader. And next is the transcript. This is mainly the video transcript, which I don't think is essential to have in your blog post. This is typically everything I am saying in the video, words for words. And when you scroll down, you will see more related videos and related tags. The most interesting part about the software is its output is unique. So even if a lot of persons summarize this same video on the platform, it will still generate unique content for each person. So mind you, there is no such thing as plagiarism or copyright, but don't take my word for it. You can check for plagiarism using quillbot.com or any other software of your choice. So as you can see, there is no plagiarism and we are good to go. Remember, I said we would focus on the blogging aspect, right? Now that you have chosen a niche, you have summarized your content. Your next question should be, what exactly should you be doing with this content? And how do you even make money from this summarized YouTube video? Well, this will lead us to step 3, monetize your website. You can explore different monetization strategies for your website, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, display advertising, e.g. Google AdSense, and you can even sell digital products or services. So, while exploring different monetization strategies, it is important to choose the strategies that best fit your audience and goals. So, when you come over to your summarized content and down to the keyword section. Here is a list of keywords like the frequently used words in the tutorial. And the most brilliant thing this AI did was explaining each keyword for better understanding, therefore making you work less. So here is the deal. Look over here. It says that BookBolt is a software tool mentioned in the video that assists in creating and researching low-content books. It helps users with keyword research, book creation, and listing optimization on Amazon KDP. The most interesting thing about BookBolt is that it does have an affiliate program, meaning if you promote this offer to your audience, BookBolt will pay you whenever someone buys or subscribes to the product through your recommendation. I hope you get the whole affiliate thing, right? If you are new to affiliate marketing, then I suggest you go see this playlist of affiliate marketing on my channel for proper understanding. Okay, affiliate marketing is quite straightforward. Now, your next question should be, how will this work? Or rather, how do you get started? Well, for example, to start making money from BookBolt, you need to go to the BookBolt website over here and sign up as an affiliate. And once you do, the system will generate a unique link, and that will be your affiliate link. And all you have to do is hyperlink the word BookBolt and embed your affiliate link. So whenever some person stumbles on your content, they find the article interesting, and when they click on BookBolt, they will be redirected to BookBolt website, and when they make a purchase, you will be getting a 20% commission. And of course, you will be notified via email, just like this, and at the end of the month, you will get paid by BookBolt, just like this. Pretty simple and straight, right? And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up in a few minutes. Another fast way you can also make money with summarizing YouTube video is through display advertising from advertising networks such as Google AdSense, Propeller Ads, Ezoic, and the like. And if you have digital products or services that you are selling, you can also drive traffic from your blogging website to your store. But it will only be ideal if your digital product is in the same niche as your summarized content. For instance, let's say you have an ebook on the topic How to be Profitable Selling Digital Products. This type of ebook will most definitely appeal to people who want to learn and know how to publish and make money on Amazon KDP. I hope that you are beginning to get the idea. I mean, there is so much you can do with this strategy, and I'm trying not to overwhelm you all with too much information. I want you to digest this. I just gave you the mind map so that you too can make so much money with the strategy. In order not to make this video long, which isn't good for my channel, in my next tutorial I will show you exactly how to start a profitable YouTube channel based on summarized content, focusing on movies narratives, global news, entertainment, and all. But before we wrap this up, let's have a quick run through of how to publish our summarized content on blogger.com. So I chose blogger.com because it is beginner friendly and it's Google-owned website. Now head over to blogger.com, create an account if you haven't, and follow the prompt. But before we proceed, there are a few things I want you to do. If you find this tutorial really helpful, please click on the like button for YouTube algorithm. Plus, share this video with your family and loved ones. I mean, this is what motivates me to reveal to you more money-making strategies that I use to generate steady income online. So for this tutorial, as I said earlier, we'll go with blogger.com because it is a Google-owned blogging website and it makes it very easy to connect to Google AdSense and get approved even if your website is new. But before you start posting content on blogger.com, I suggest if you want to take this side hustle seriously, you will need to get a domain name which costs about $1 on Namecheap. However, Google will still give you a subdomain if you don't want to buy or own a domain. So once you have created a Blogger account, you will be brought up to this interface. So here is where you get to post new blog content. All of its features are basic and straightforward. The statistics feature shows the website's analytics. As seen here, at least this should give you an idea that this is a working strategy. though I stopped using this account for a long time, but I still get some tiny views. And it also proves that Blogger is quite effective. So when you click on earning, this is where you see how much you have made from ads. But since we haven't set it up, it prompts you to connect to Google AdSense so that you can start getting ads displayed on your content. And setting your AdSense is very easy since it is all a Google product. So, but before you connect with Google AdSense, just make sure you have like 10 to 15 posts, because if you connect with AdSense without having any posts, that can possibly slow down the review process. And getting about 10 to 15 posts shouldn't be hard. I mean, I just showed you an easy way out, right? If I click on the Go to AdSense button, it takes me to the Google AdSense page. As you can see, I have already started the process. My payment profile has been completed, the same as my ad settings, and I'm left with just connecting my blogging site. But then I realized I shouldn't go any further since I don't intend to use the account for now. As you can see, Google is ready to place ads on my content, but I haven't given them permission. So to begin posting, come over here, create a blog, or alternatively, call the website. This will be your blog name, so choose a nickname, and this is the name that people will see on Google or on any search engine. So ours is christinetrends.blogpost.com. You save it and that's it. So to publish your content, just come over here and click on the new post button, then copy and paste the summarized content. But remember to give them credit, okay? And once you're done, just hit the publish button to have it go live. Now, one more important strategy you shouldn't overlook is affiliate marketing. Remember, earlier we talked about the BookBolt affiliate marketing program, right? BookBolt was a case study in this tutorial, and yours can be any other tool or software. So, to embed your affiliate link in your blog, simply grab your affiliate link from the website. Now, highlight your text, use this icon, then paste in your link, tick this option, and click enter, and that is it. So, when someone finds your blog content, then clicks on your highlighted text, which is cloaked with your affiliate link, and makes a purchase, you will get some commission. Remember, with this strategy, you will be making money with ads placed on your website, along with the affiliate program that you are promoting. And you can also sell your digital products using this strategy by simply driving traffic from your website to your store. The fact remains that some persons are already taking advantage of this strategy, and not so many persons know about it. I just revealed to you the quickest ways to make money online using AI. I even showed you my earnings to help motivate you, and I hope it did. So if you find this new side hustle interesting and worth trying, let's know how you intend to go about it in the comment section. Plus, remember to hit the like button for more ways to make money online with AI. And you know what? If you didn't find it helpful, then hit the subscribe button to get notified when I drop a new money-making tip. I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye.